Okay, this is the Hot Wheels monster truck. This is a crush delivery, the brand new color, guys. Hot Wheels monster trucks 2025. Part of Beast Bashers. The back. Okay, unnamed crush delivery truck type pickup, straight furious fist, crash attack, silver back attack. Back, of course. You know what's in the back of this card. Now it's opening. Here it is. Here we go. Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at the dark blue gorilla. That's so cool. Crush delivery. Dark blue rims and beadlocks. Orange roll cage. The cage is pretty nice. There's like something in there. There's a teddy bear. Now you can see it. I noticed that myself when I first bought the original one. There was nail scratches, crush delivery. Some kind of, I guess there's broken crate up there. This is all plastic. I don't know if it's removable, the gorilla. I don't want to break it. Back of the cage. No headlight printing. So I got one more truck to go, guys. Peace out.